Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about the autocomplete function in Scrivener 3 for Windows. This can be found under File Options and Corrections. As you can see, there are a few standard automatic substitutions for common errors and norms. Down the bottom there's a section on autocompletion, which has special script formatting already selected. Below that you have the option to enable additional substitutions. If you then click on Edit Substitutions, you'll see there are quite a lot already there that you can use. Obviously you can add your own, if you know there's a word you always misspell, for example, or there's a long name that you don't want to have to type out all the time. Another option, a suggestion of a commenter on a previous video, is to use this for accented words that you commonly use. For example, cliché. Just type the unaccented word in the first box, put the substitution below, and when you get to the accented letter, click on the 3 dots and you'll get the character map to choose from. Just type the word in your document, press space, and the accent will appear. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.